BJP State President Ernest Mawrie informed the reporters that as many as 5 sitting legislators belonging to different political parties have expressed their keen interest to join Meghalaya BJP ahead of assembly elections. Meanwhile, Ernest Mawrie also expressed confidence that the party will win double digits in 2023. Optimistic about forming the government in the state BJP chief informed that the party will contest from all the 60 assembly seats and identified around 40+ potential seats and candidates in all those seats.
We have 4 or 5 MLA from different party. They are going to join us. As you know, it is not the right time for them. I think by first week of December, the picture will be clear. But we are in touch with 5 MLA. They are very keen to join us, and they have already given the word that they are going to join our party. So we are ready, almost in those constituencies which we have already identified, and we are very strong, and we will win the election in those constituencies.
BJP Mahila National